Hey everyone, Sean coming at you with Attraxon with a pretty cool product update. This is in workflows. You can now split test work inside of a workflow. So when you're in a workflow, you can now not only, we already have the ability to split test email. Now you can split test an entire path of a workflow. So you hit split here, and by default, it's going to give you path A and path B. And you can divvy up the percentages. You can add another another path and another path. So let's say here we did 25 and 25, 25 and 25. Now, when I hit save action, it's going to give me the option here to split this, right? So here I'm going to split between path A and path B, or if I had multiple paths. Let me go back to the split feature here. Okay, and by default here, the distribution type will be a random split. So it's just going to randomly plunk them between any one of your paths in the split test. And then what's really cool is over time, you're going to get statistics about which contacts were entered. And then of course you could add some tags, some attribution towards the end of your path to, for example, if you're selling a product, you could tell like which sales came from which path. If you had like a sales path or if you had a prospecting path, you could see what happened, what's the result at the end. Okay, very, very cool stuff. Okay, I bopped into more of a real world example here. We have a agent attraction or agents on autopilot system. Here's one of the workflows of like dozens of workflows we have in here. So what I can do is I've already got this email, which I could make a version of this and I could split test this email if I wanted to. Or if I had a series of things that were going to happen, I could split test different series of events and see which one is more effective. Is it more effective to text first? Is it more effective to email first? Is it more effective to queue up a call and have somebody call them first and then email them? So again, here I'm going to go to my action. I'm going to go to split, and I'm going to do a random split A and B. And remember now, if you build out one whole set of actions, like an email and a text or whatever, you can go here and simply click copy all actions from here, and then I could just copy that into path B and then make any edits that I wanted, either just in the order of the steps or actually inside of like what a text says or what an email says. So I could make those edits right in here, but it's it's super convenient to have this copy option where you can either copy just that one specific action or copy all the actions from there and below. And now you don't have to recreate all of the steps and put in the wait times and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, very powerful there to create path A, path B. I think you can even name path A and B. So I could name this path A, and this could be, you know, like call first, versus path B could be email first. So hopefully this sparks some ideas. If you need us to help you create if you have an idea of mapping out what something procedurally that you want to split test, we will go in and implement this for you if you tell us, or we can even brainstorm with you. So let us know if you have any questions. Thanks so much. Have a good one.